Okay, I want to demo this project about. What it does is it helps you prepare for interview and makes you pass the interview by giving you strong questions that you're going to be asked in the interview, depending on the company. So all you do is you put in the company website, all right. You put in the role you're interviewing for, and then you put in. I set it by default to be 3, so you put in like how many questions you want for each. So let's say technical, behavior, role specific, topics you should review, and skills and tools you need. It also gives you the skills and the tools you need. So I made this open for everyone to use. You put in your Gemini key. So I put in a tutorial here, like a walkthrough on how you can get a free Gemini API key. All right. So once you get your API key, you will click this and it will take you here. You create an API key for yourself, and then you click here and get back to the form. You put the API key, then you put in the website, you put in the role. For me, I'm going to use AI engineer, and then you just set this up and you build. You should go to the website, scrape all the information on the website, learn things about the website, and then generate for you strong questions that would be used for that you would be asked in the interview. And the question should be studied in a way that if you study well, you will be able to pass the interview. So these are the questions. I studied 3 questions. These are 3 technical questions. First of all, the website is an AI-driven digital air platform that provides personalized meal planning with dietary recommendation tailored for managing chronic conditions. So technical questions like how to design multimodal architecture that takes an image of meals, segment different food, and estimate the total carbohydrate. You see, all these things. Ask all these questions. For behavioral questions, he asks like all these behavioral questions. Describe the time you had translate complex whatever thing. Role specific questions. It asks all these questions. Topics to review. These are like the topics you should try to review. And these are tools you would need to learn. LLM guardrails, deep learning, computer vision, PyTorch, all these things. So just a simple project. I've made it free for, you can also copy it, right? I made it free for everyone to use, and this is going to be up for as long as possible, for the next 1 year, 2 years, because I don't think anything is going to bring it down. I'm deploying it on render, and I'm putting in your API key so it doesn't use mine, and these API keys are free. So that is it.